Merhaba, my name is Yunada Wilson. I am a pop-up chef here in Asheville. I'm bringing Burmese cuisine, also known as Myanmar, here to you. It's not really common here on the East Coast, so I'm really honored to be able to share my culture and discover part of my story and share it with you guys along the way. So what's Burmese food? It's a very community-driven sit-down meal. We have a variety of options to make your own flavorful, customized bite with different tapas, with curries, noodles, fermented fish dips, you name it, and it makes it your own bite. So for Chow Chow, I have 2 bites for you. We're going to be highlighting, of course, sea fish since it's a Fry Fish Friday. My first dish is called ngape thot. It's like a fish cake mixed with Asian slaw salad. It's gonna have spice, it's gonna have zest, it's gonna have umami, all the things you need in a delicious bite. My second dish is going to be our national Myanmar dish. It's called mohinga, which is typically made with catfish, but I'm going to make my version with sea bass, all the components of it in one bite. I'm really excited to share with you guys on what we have for you.